That ain't my style.
You just made me spill my stuff.
Ah, you so kind.
You better not do that again.
Shit! Let's go, thanks, homie. What the fuck's name is...
Get that piece of garbage out of here!
Look where you going. Hey, Ryder, what the hell?
You drive, CJ, seeing as you missed the driver and all.
Ah, not your shit again. Don't give me a hard time about my driving. I ain't got the energy for it, man.
Well, don't go roll the damn car over and blow us all up in flames then.
Nah, I ain't rising to your shit, man.
Good. Means you concentrate on the road then.
You love to give a homie a hard time.
Just trying to keep my soldiers alive, nigga.
By nagging them to death?
Watch the road, motherfucker. The road.
This guy
Yeah, here we go.
That's our train, all right. Shit, look like some Northside Vagos got it first.
Oh, what's this? We got ballers trying to crash the party?
Look like Tenpenny told every gang in South Central.
Man, we gonna smoke those baller assholes. Go check out the train, CJ.
Damn, what is that?
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you. Throw me some boxes, CJ. I got it. Keep coming. Shit, I nearly dropped that one. Oh, shit. Can't stop me. CJ, that's all I can carry. Hop in the car and stab out, fool. Man, we got one time on our tail.
me, CJ. Trying to kill us all, dog.
Whatever.
One time can't stop
shit.
me, I'm incredible. One time
See,
can't
let's
stop
move. We
me, I'm
got one time
incredible.
on. Like a
Dealing with the Kung Fu master.
look out!
You can't stop me, I'm a genius, fool. Head back to Grove Street, fool.
Damn it, CJ.
Damn, homie, your stuff was tight.
Yeah, you too, homie.
LB's coming over to stash the shit.
Okay, later then.
For life, CJ. For life, you heard?